Good morning, traders. It is just about 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'm just getting in here and I'm gonna take some trades to show the power of knowing how the computer works behind all of the movement, not only within the oil market, but within all financial instruments. I will be back shortly to start taking some trades. Okay, I've taken a short position here. I really thought it was going to go up, but the computer is saying that it is going to go down. So I'm going to place my exit for some more ticks. Let's go for 40 ticks on this trade. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a 40 tick exit on this down to 31.18 right there. I might even do more than that, but let's just see what happens. By the way, I've got the stop set to 73. Okay, I've just had to reverse position and go long. The computer is now saying that it's going to move up. This is what I thought it was going to do. I thought it was going to move up. And it just gave a long signal right there. So, or it just gave a tell. The computer just gave a tell that it's about to move up now. So I am in long here. And let's see if this thing isn't going to go take off. Let me do two things. Set a stop and adjust the exit. I'll be right back. Okay, I've got a stop in place at 53, which is a 10 tick stop, and I have got a 40 tick exit sitting up at 32.03. I may go for more than that. I talked about this in my charting today to watch out for, well, actually yesterday, but watch out for this move here coming, that it would, and if it does come, that it would probably make a very big move up. So it is a good possibility that it's going to do exactly that, make a big move up here. And if so, should be able to tell, because it'll start to get moving here pretty soon and start to move up to the exit. 40 ticks, no problem. And I'm going to adjust that. We'll go for more. I'll probably put it at a 100 tick exit here. Yeah. So anyway, I will come back and show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's moving up pretty good here. I'm going to go ahead and place a break-even stop on it now. So we'll come down, move this up to one tick above, which is what I always do for a break-even, and I'm going to let it go now. There's a good chance I'm going to adjust the exit from 40 all the way up to 100 ticks, but we'll see. I want to see it move up there pretty quickly. Let's see, 03 puts it at right there, so yeah, I'll move it up 100 ticks if it gets up there pretty fast. So I'll come back and show it to you. Okay, I just got a short signal, so I have reversed position again and gone short with the short signal here. The computer is now indicating that it's going to go down. See, when you have, something like this where a computer is sitting there controlling it and you can read what it's going to do before it does it, you have a trading system that cannot be compared to any other system. The only question is whether or not you can read the computer. That does take a little bit of practice, Just like anything of value, it takes a bit of practice. Let's see, let's put it down to 33 for 40 ticks. Go for 40 ticks on this one. And I am going to keep watching it to see if it wants to reverse again, which it very well may do. Or this may be it. Let me take a look at it really quick. Actually, I can't tell. It might reverse again. If it does, I'll just reverse with it. I'll keep doing it until it takes a direction one way or another. I'll come back. Okay, I have reversed position. I am now in a long position here. The computer is indicating that it is going to move up now, and this one should be it here. It should continue to go higher from this point forward, I'm pretty sure. So it gave some long signal, short signal, long signal, short signal, but this last long signal right here should be it, I believe. Yep, it should. You can see what it's doing now. So it should take off here. Let's go ahead and put a 40 tick exit on this thing. We'll raise this up by 20 ticks. Take it up to 26. That puts 40 ticks on it. And let me calculate the stop. I'll be right back. Okay, I've placed the stop at 71. Okay, it just came down and hit my stop. It's being very tricky this morning, that's for sure. I am going to look for another entry. I'm just going to wait for the computer to tell me the direction it wants to go. So I'll be back shortly. Okay, I have taken another position here. I've taken a long position. The computer has just given away a tell that it is going to start moving up now. And by the way, on the 10-minute chart, you can't see anything like that. I mean, it doesn't look like it's going to move up, right? It looks like it's going to move down still on the 10-minute. And yet the computer just gave away a tell that it's going to move up. That's the power of this system. Let's go ahead and put 40 ticks on this thing again. 85, 95, 05 for 40 ticks. And I'll come back and show it to you. Okay, I just had to reverse position again. This thing's really giving me a hard time here. I'm going to put a 40 tick exit on this. 32 down to 12. It's just really choppy out there. Okay, I'll come back. It's moving down here. I guess this thing just wants to move down today. Really thought it was going to go up today, but it doesn't look like it now. So it looks like it's just going to be a repeat of yesterday, basically. I got a 40 tick exit out there. I might adjust that for more. We'll see how fast it gets there. Okay, I'll come back. Almost down to the exit here. I may go for more than 40 ticks here. Got the exit set at 92 for 60 ticks now. It's moving down good here. Getting very close. It's about to hit here. Okay, I'm out for 60 ticks. I'm going to take a little break here and I will come back. Okay, I have taken another short position here. And I'm going to put a 40 tick exit on this. I'll come back. Okay, I had to take off for a little bit, but I'm back. And I just wanted to conclude this video and show you that I made it to the last exit, which was 40 ticks, and I made the previous exit, which was 60 ticks. So I made 100 ticks, but I went down, I forget how many ticks I went down now. I think I went down about, I'm not sure, but I think I went down, let's see, 20, I think I went down 30 ticks if I'm not mistaken, somewhere around there. So I initially went down about 30 ticks, and then I came back and made 100 ticks. So I ended up with 70 ticks. That's what it looks right. Yep, 3,500 would be 70. Yeah, so I made a little bit more than 70 ticks there. So I went down almost 30 ticks, probably about 27 ticks or so, 25 ticks, something like that, whatever. Anyway, you can see that I was able to take a large portion of that move by being able to read what the computer was going to do before it did it. And you can see that I'm able to do this every day, pretty much. And the reason for that is because it's controlled by a computer, and I have a very big advantage over the market because of that. I broke that computer code in 2006, and I can tell which direction any instrument will go. Not just oil, but any and all instruments, anywhere in the world. Don't let anybody fool you, because there's people out there that want to fool you because they don't want people to know it's controlled by a computer. And, you know, who can blame them? And they're going to do and say anything that they need to say to try and discredit this so that people don't believe it's real, and therefore they don't learn it, and then they don't realize it's controlled by a computer. You know, it defeats them before they even, without them even realizing it. by brainwashing them into thinking that this is some sort of a scam. Well, it's not a scam. All the markets are controlled by a computer. I broke the code for it. 100% guaranteed mathematical fact. Anyway, and I am demonstrating the effectiveness of this. So, I'm going to get going. I hope you traders out there are doing well in your trading, especially those of you, of course, that know my system. And I will be starting a mentoring program real soon to help those of you who need it. And I will be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Tomorrow will be the news. The news will come out tomorrow. And it should be a fun day. I'll do the charting later and get that done, and we will track the system here and to know the precision level entries, which I can just tell all of you right now, it is the special today. It's the two specials that I called. It's basically almost a repeat of yesterday's trading, basically. Okay, I'm gonna go. Take care out there, traders. Happy trading. I will see you tomorrow.